At the outset, we may state that this petition is filed for transfer of case from the High Court of Kerala to the High Court of Karnataka on the ground of alleged adverse publicity in the press in the state of Kerala. This contention is apparently raised at a belated stage, that is, after lapse of 4 years from the date of filing of the appeal in the High Court. The petitioner has not raised any objection with regard to hearing of the appeal by the Kerala High Court when the matter was heard by the learned single judge in 1998, who subsequently referred to it a larger bench. Even in the representation before the Chief Justice, he has not raised the said contention. Therefore, elaborate submissions made in the transfer petition that a fair trial will not be possible in the state of Kerala as political parties in power have created such a situation that justice, fairness, and rule of law cannot be expected in cases against the petitioner, and that any person can be influenced consciously or subconsciously by the adverse publicity against the petitioner, are required to be rejected. Apart from not raising objection for a period of 4 years, we would further state that in this country there is complete separation of judiciary from the executive, and judges are not influenced in any manner either by the propaganda or adverse publicity. Cases are decided on the basis of the evidence available on record and the law applicable, granting such application and transferring the appeal from High Court of Kerala to High Court of Karnataka would result in casting unjustified aspersion on the court having jurisdiction to decide the appeal on the assumption that its judicial verdict is consciously or subconsciously affected by the popular frenzy, official wrath, or adverse publicity, which is not the position qua the judicial administration in this country. Further, the contention raised by the learned counsel for the petitioner that one of the judge of the bench was appointed and has worked as an advocate to assist Justice K. Sukumaran Commission to inquire into malpractices in the execution of the rectification work in hydroelectric project, and therefore the petitioner is not likely to get justice if the appeal is decided by the said bench, deserves to be rejected. It is true that one of the principles of the administration of justice is that justice should not only be done, but it should be seen to have been done. However, a mere allegation that there is apprehension that justice will not be done in a given case is not sufficient. Before transferring the case, the court has to find out whether the apprehension papers to be reasonable. To judge the reasonableness of the apprehension, the state of the mind of the person who entertains the apprehension is no doubt relevant, but that is not all. The apprehension must appear to the court to be reasonable, genuine, and justifiable.